Karma, the algorithm. People, you made karma mystical because you could not yet see the mechanism. You called it punishment reward, cosmic justice, past life debt. Pause. See this. Pattern persistence. An action produces an experience. The experience produces an interpretation. The interpretation becomes a belief. The belief alters perception. Perception influences behavior. Behavior creates another experience, and the new experience appears to confirm the original belief. Loop complete, you say. Why does this keep happening? Ask. What keeps entering every version of the situation? You. Different partner, same insecurity. Different employer, same conflict with authority. More money, same scarcity. Different religion, same fear of questioning. Different spiritual teaching, same need for someone else to tell you what is true. You changed the environment, you did not change the operating system. Think of karma as an algorithm of consciousness. An algorithm learns from repeated inputs. What you repeatedly focus upon, expect, rehearse, tolerate and act from becomes data. That data influences what you notice. What you notice influences what you choose. What you choose influences what you experience. And what you experience feeds information back into the algorithm: input, interpretation, expectation, behavior, experience, feedback, stronger pattern. Until consciousness intervenes, change the input. Question the belief, change the response. Make a different choice, and you begin training the algorithm differently. This is why you can often tell where you are internally by observing what keeps coming back to you, not as superstition. As feedback, look at your recurring relationships, your repeated conflicts, your relationship with money, the situations you tolerate, what consistently triggers you, what you keep avoiding, what opportunities you repeatedly notice or fail to notice. The external world is not a perfect mirror, but recurring patterns can reveal something about the internal algorithm through which you are meeting it. So instead of asking, why is the universe doing this to me? What is this feedback showing me? But observe carefully. This does not mean every tragedy was manifested by the victim. Earth contains biology, accidents, other people's choices, social systems, probability, and randomness. Do not turn consciousness into another religion of blame. Karma becomes useful when applied to what you can actually examine. Your patterns. And here is the vulnerability in the system. The loop requires unconscious participation. Become aware of the pattern. And suddenly there are two things. The pattern, and the one observing the pattern. Now choice becomes possible. Different thought, different expectation. Different choice, different behavior, different consequence, different trajectory. The algorithm changes because you change what you continuously feed it. Some human call this breaking karma. Instead, see it as stopping an old program from automatically generating the next frame. Your past does not disappear. It becomes data instead of destiny, and perhaps that is liberation. Not escaping some cosmic punishment, but reaching the point where your history can speak without being allowed to write the next line of code. Each sentence can be long if the input requires it, but must not exceed 30 words. If a sentence is longer, split it into 2 or more natural sentences without altering the content.